Hello, I'm Diana Crawford. I'm with Crawford Meriting Company. I'm a CPA. I've been preparing small business and individual tax returns for over the last 20 years using ProSeries. Thought I would tell you about one of the time-saving features in ProSeries, the client snapshot. It greatly saves time when you need to know just the basic information about someone's return. I'll show you what that involves.
The client snapshot feature in ProSeries really helps out when a client calls, you're in HomeBase, you don't have another client's return open, and that client wants to know just some brief information about their return. This is a great time-saving feature to get that high-level information, both about the federal and the state return, that you don't have to go into the return itself, but you can just find information. It's on this icon at the top of the screen that says Client Snapshot. And the first functionality is we have a find. If you have clients, you can search based on the first name. You can search based on the last name, social security number. If you have only one match that comes up, let's say we're looking for our client Grace. Search for Grace. We only found one client, so it brings up their client information. Gives us the basic client information, their name, their social. It's not populated here, but if it was, it would show their home address, their phone numbers for contact. If we have recorded any missing client information using the missing client information functionality within ProSeries, it's going to say yes here, alerting us that we're waiting on information from them. Shows us who our preparer is, and if we have recorded our preparer fees in the client status worksheet, it's going to show on this client snapshot as well. Gives us an update on our e-filing information, both for the federal and the state return. So if we have marked this return for e-filing, but we haven't yet filed it yet, this information is going to show for us. Otherwise, it's going to show the date transmitted, the date accepted, and if it was rejected, it's going to show right here on the client snapshot. No need to open the client file. All of this e-filing information is right here on the client snapshot screen. And of course, that information that every taxpayer wants to know when they call, are you missing any information and how does it look now? So over on the right, we have a summary of the federal and state. Are they due a refund or do they have to pay? Did we have it set up for a direct deposit or will they be receiving a check? So this is going to show that information that when a client calls, yes or no, it's been e-filed, yes or no, we are or are not missing client information, and here's where your amount to pay or refund status is at the time. If you need to, and you need to open this file, you can go right into it. You can print this client snapshot or simply close it and go back to your HomeBase. Just having this information at the ready without having to open the client's file can easily save you several minutes every time you have a question from a client. Hope that helps.